Hey guys, what's up? My name is Claire. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. It's so nice to have you and thank you for joining me today. If you didn't watch my first part of this haul, that's okay. You can jump right into this one and then check out the next one, the first one next if you want to. I just got a lot of stuff from Bath & Body Works that I had to show you guys, and I kind of split it up randomly and evenly. And to kind of give you a little background as to why I have so much stuff from Bath & Body Works, it's because I actually work for L Brands, which is a company out of Columbus, Ohio. I moved from Alabama to here about a month ago. If you're new, you don't know that yet. And so I work for Victoria's Secret Pink on their digital team, but L Brands owns Victoria's Secret Pink and Bath & Body Works, so I am very fortunate because I get that employee discount now. I actually interned for Pink this summer, and I got to go to this thing called the, not the semi-annual sale, the sample sale. And so if you're an employee of L Brands, every summer they have this huge sale where you walk into this massive warehouse, and it's like samples, and you can pay $80 and get like a big old bag, and you can fill it up. You can get up to 4 bags. I got 2 bags. I filled half of it up. I filled 1 bag up with clothes from Victoria's Secret and Pink, and you've probably already seen those hauls on here. And then I filled another bag up with nothing but Bath & Body Works stuff. So I have like oodles and oodles, probably over 100 items from Bath & Body Works. So I decided to do a haul, and not all of that is from that haul, or from that, I guess that was technically a haul. Not all the things in today's haul are from me going shopping then. Some of them are newer things, which you're probably thinking, why would you buy more stuff? Well, it's because I love smells. And I know it's like fall season, but you're gonna see a mix of like spring, summer, fall, and winter scents. And so very excited about that today because I have all of the scents in one video. So without further ado, go ahead and subscribe because I'm doing a giveaway today. So to find out what the giveaway is, stay tuned to the end of the video, but it's a good giveaway. So yeah, it's a gift card. So we'll go ahead and say that. I might as well just tell you it's a gift card. So yeah, you can look into the description box on how to enter, but I would like for you to stick around and see what all I got. So everything I got is in this big old bag. Now it didn't come in that bag. I actually got that bag when I went shopping a few weeks ago. I zoomed y'all in so you could see better. But 2 of the newer things that I got were these candles. I showed 2 of my other new candles at the beginning of my last haul. But this is the vanilla pumpkin marshmallow, and it smells so good. When I first smelled it, I was like, I don't really love vanilla and marshmallowy scents. I don't like the sweet scents. Love pumpkin, but it smells so good. It makes your house smell like you just like baked this great dessert, but not in like a too sweet of a way. It smells so good. It smells like Tahitian vanilla, pumpkin spice, homemade marshmallow, drizzled caramel, and it has essential oils in it. Sorry. It smells so good. So 10 out of 10. I'm not going to read the descriptions for every single candle because we would again be here for like 50 years. But the next candle I got is also new. It's pumpkin apple. I got this a few weeks ago, and it smells like red delicious apple, fall pumpkin, fresh ground cinnamon, clove buds, and essential oils. It smells so good. It smells like a elementary school classroom. I said that in the last video about a different item, but that smells so good. But kind of let's just keep moving along because we have so much to go. So it's going to be kind of like a quick haul. I showed you the lotion for this in the last video, but this is Vanilla Bean Noel shower gel. Now since this came from the sample sale, this has been like saran wrapped at the top. Because some of them are literally samples, and it's kind of like my hands are really sticky right now from touching this because some of them, you know, they're in like a huge bins with like all kinds of other stuff, and so some of them leak sometimes, which is like understandable. You also saw this in the last haul. It's Winter Candy Apple Body Cream. That was what I said smelled like my old teacher's classroom, just like kindergarten. I don't know. Next we have a Snowy Morning. That smells really good, actually, and I'm normally not into, like, y'all know me, I really pretty much only use baby lotion, so that's like when I said in the last video, I'm going to be doing more hauls in the future. I actually just mailed off my back to school hauls today, the giveaways for that, and so it's a little pricey, so we're going to wait a little bit before I do huge, like, item giveaways, but I'm going to do gift cards and stuff. But now we have Vanilla Bean Noel. That's like a classic scent. We were talking about that in the last video. Like Vanilla Bean Noel, Japanese Cherry Blossom, and Sweet Pea, I feel like are some of like the OG scents that everybody loved. This I've smelled before. It's Tahiti Island Margarita. One thing I love working at Pink is in the bathrooms every day they have Bath & Body Works hand soap And they have like every single hand soap ever, and they switch them out like almost every day, which is like, I don't know why they do that, but it's so great to smell all the smells. Next up, this is really pretty. It's like a blue, like, I don't know, like a translucent, yeah, kind of, look, it's really pretty. It's sugared lemon zest, creamy Luxe hand soap. Ooh. Next, I told y'all in the last one, we have so many of these. So many winter candy apples. Somebody is gonna get those for Christmas. Next up, love this packaging. It's Twisted Peppermint. I think this is normally pink. Oh yeah, it is actually. I have it right here. I showed one of these in my last videos, or in the last video, in this same thing, but different, you know, different bottles. Smells very Christmassy. It smells like, I don't know, sugar plum fairy. Next up we have Winter White Jasmine. It says Life of the Party. Now I don't really even recognize this from the stores, but I mean, correct me if I'm wrong if it is in the stores, but some things that you see in the sample sale don't even make it to stores, or like got pulled from stores, random stuff. They're all like good to use or else they wouldn't sell them, but it's just like random things that like didn't sell for some reason. Next up we have Winter. I actually really like this, and I think they have this as a candle. Spiced orange, fir balsam, and clove buds. Y'all know anything with that balsam, and I showed y'all some of those kind of like the balsam candles. Oh, they kind of on my nose. Well, I say kind of like the balsam candles. It was balsam, but you know, called a different name in the last haul. Next up we have Winter White Woods. I'm not gonna smell all of these because it's just too many sniffs. We have two little hand sanitizers right here. This is You're the Best. I think I actually got this when I interned this summer. I think this was actually given to me. And then we have the Aromatherapy Sleep, Lavender and Cedarwood. It's one of their essential oil things. I love their essential oil things. I like the stress relief too. I need that. Here's another repeat item from the last one, Champagne Toast. I told you about how my mom has this in a candle. I kind of made her get candles last year. Like, she does not like candle smelly things. I love them, so I've made her get them. Next up, I have three of these. I think it's vanilla balsam. Y'all know the balsam, it just gets me, but this is it with like a kick of vanilla. It smells like balsam fir branches, frosted vanilla, and snow-capped pine. That smells so good. Like, I'll probably, when it gets like cold out and you know it's gonna be snowing here, I can see me on the weekends like just lighting all three of these candles. Here's the third one in my apartment, and just have them all going since they're like single wick. Oh, here's a fourth one. Maybe to 4. It's gonna be a party. Switching up the winter vibe. This is Island White Sand. It's Tahitian Mono Oil Body Cream. That smells so good. It takes me to the beach. That's one thing I do miss, is the beach. Like, there's not a beach here, so I can't go. And like these summer scents smell like beach, like sunscreen. Oh, I miss it. Next up we have another Sugared Lemon Zest. I think I just showed this. Yeah, I did actually, because I talked about how pretty it was. Then we have Winter White Woods. We already had Winter White Jasmine, but this is a Winter White Woods hand soap. Love that. I remember this from stores too. I really like this. The Paris Amour. It smells like inspired by the romantic stroll through the charming streets of Paris. I've never been to Paris, but that smells so good. It smells like flowers and like bubble gum. Toasted Vanilla Chai, which I don't know if I've tried chai tea. I tried matcha. I hated matcha. Oh, another You're the Best hand sanitizer. Maybe I didn't get this given to me. Maybe I did get this from the sale. We have Sun-Kissed Days. I don't remember this from stores either. It says it smells like beach bamboo, pink pomelo, pomelo, I don't know how to say that word, and sun-drenched blossoms evokes, hold on. It says a blend of bright beach bamboo, pink pomelo, and sun-drenched blossoms evokes sun-kissed days by the sea. That was a lot of words, but this smells like you're on a yacht with a bunch of rich people. This one I've actually showed in a haul before. I just thought it needed some more recognition because it's still in stores. I know it because I saw it the other day and I was like, I may like that this week. It is Cactus Blossom. It's so pretty and it smells so good. It smells like cactus flower petals, sun-kissed coconut, vanilla, and sparkling lemon. It smells so good. It smells like a romantic smell, like you're getting ready for a date in the summer. I don't know, but that feels like. Okay, I said this already, but I love stress relief candles. It's so soothing. This smells like something I smelled as a little girl. I don't know what that takes me to. It takes me to like Vacation Bible School for some reason. It just has eucalyptus and spearmint essential oils. I need to be lighting this by my bed at night. This is kind of like the same thing. It's in their aromatherapy thing. This definitely did not make it to stores. As you can see, like the packaging is like a fake packaging. It's Relax Lavender Vanilla. It says take some time to rest. It smells like Christmas. It says, oh, I guess it is kind of like with Christmas. Wait, this has the wrong, oh, this has the wrong packaging on it. Hold up. Oh my goodness, y'all. Okay, sorry, this was not planned. This is new. That's tape. That's literally Scotch tape. Okay, I have solved a mystery. So this is a fake wrapper. This is just supposed to have been like a test. So it's really toasted vanilla caramel. Okay, we solved like a mystery. I was wondering, I don't think I've ever sniffed it until like now, but in like the top of it has like this fake thing on it. Ah, that's Scotch tape too. What in the world? Okay, so really, this is toasted vanilla caramel. It smells like, it says warm up chilly fall days with this blend of toasted vanilla, smoldering woods, and golden caramel. Or caramel. Okay, yeah, that's what it smells like. It smells really good, but I was like, that does not smell like lavender and vanilla. What in the world? Last up, I've also showed this on here, but it is still in stores. I saw it again the other day. It is the Aromatherapy Love Candle. It's rose and vanilla. This smells so girly. And they have like a whole line with rose in it, like different types of rose, and I want them all. Bath & Body Works, I'm right down the road. Please sponsor me. I work for your brand. I don't know if that's legal. I don't know if they can do that, but like I would love for them to. It smells so good. Okay guys, that was it for this haul. That's so much lighter than it was. So I'm so happy that you got to see everything I did, but I'm going to be giving away a $25 gift card, which is so perfect because when the candles are like $10 off, you can get you like almost 2 candles without, or just 1 full price one. But yeah, so I'm going to be doing giveaways all throughout the year. Y'all have already seen I do them all the time. I don't know why I explain myself anymore at this point, because y'all know I'm going to keep doing them. But yeah, so all you have to do to win a gift card, I'm making this one a lot more simple than my last ones because I had so many people sending me messages on Instagram, and it was just like, I was getting them all and I was like screenshotting them all, but I want to make it simpler for everybody. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up. You can go give the last one a thumbs up too. I'd really appreciate that. And then leave me a comment down below just saying, hey, I don't even know, just whatever you want. Telling me an idea for a video would be really nice. Actually, let's do that. Give me an idea for a video you'd like to see on my channel. Not giveaways. Don't say that, because that's not really an idea. That's just something to do. So yeah, just give me an idea of something you'd like to do, and then follow me on Instagram. Now, if you don't have an Instagram, let me know down below in the comments, and nothing will go against you, but that is part of the rules. So yeah, if you don't have one, that's understandable too though. So yeah, go ahead and enter, but that's about it. Yeah, I post a lot on Instagram too, like all the time literally, and I'm getting more into the lifestyle kind of vibe, so it's gonna be good for everybody. So yeah, that's it for today's video, and thank you for joining me. And my sweatshirt says it's cool, being kind is cool. So I don't know if you can see it, be kind to somebody today and every day, and just be nice. So that's my lesson today. But I will see y'all in my next video, and thank you so much for joining me. Mwah. I can't kiss my hands because they're really sticky, but bye.